What's up, YouTuber gang? It's your boy Tae. Two special guests in the back. She was in the last video.
Got a YouTube channel, Baby Shy.
Bad kid. Anyway, today it's another mukbang. You feel me? I bought these niggas some food. Well, I bought food for myself, basically.
We came here to smash.
Yeah, they did. They smelled it. They said, what is that smell? I was like, please, exit the building now. They came in with plates, smiles,
And forks.
and forks.
He said,
Go ahead and get it, bro. I don't even care no more.
He said, came up here with plates.
But
Smile.
anyway, y'all like chicken Alfredo. Not only did I buy one for myself, I bought two because these two niggas, I had a feeling they was going to smell it, the goodness. So I had to buy that. Chicken Alfredo. We got cheesy bread in the cut. One of a kind for black folks only. We got buffalo boneless wings with ranch. Never go wrong with ranch. So, what y'all been up to today?
Well, I woke up. I was on Instagram. I was texting all my friends back. What you want to call them? Oh.
You touching your hoes?
Only two of them because only two of them awake right now. But damn, it's almost 3 o'clock.
What about you? You was on the phone with your best friend this morning.
Yes, bro. She wake me up. I'm thinking she over here playing Uno, but the whole time I don't know what she doing.
Oh, she don't need it.
I was on the phone. What you was doing? You was beating on that thing. I thought you were playing Uno with somebody.
Beating on what?
That briefcase. I thought Tae was up there playing Uno. Girl, nah.
Hell no, I was on the game all day. I was on 2K, GTA. Then I got on Madden, smacked somebody.
Y'all, tell me why I got sent home early today from work.
Cause she was
the
stealing money.
drive-through time was fucked up. So then,
Hey, stop cussing on my channel.
she
This
told
is
me
a kid-friendly
I could go
channel.
home. And I left at 12.
Sorry, you guys.
Instead
I'm
of
gonna blur it
1.
out.
I was ready to go anyway.
You know Tae be showing mama these videos.
I don't. My mom know we got YouTube.
Yes, you do. I showed it to her.
Well.
Oh well.
She said she have a feeling we cuss.
Y'all want to bite, bro? Finger licking good. Ain't that what they say? No.
Love that chicken from Popeye.
I think the next mukbang we doing chicken sandwich. Up to date.
No, seafood.
Seafood. She don't eat seafood.
Yes, you do.
She don't.
She eat crawfish.
I ate crawfish.
But you don't eat shrimp.
You
Bruh,
eat shrimp.
time
I
out,
eat both.
time out.
No
I
shrimp.
eat both.
If you're anybody that don't eat, you say you don't eat seafood. She eat crawfish. That's the seafood, right? If you eat crawfish, write it wrong. Write down in the comment. Right or wrong. If you eat crawfish, that means you can eat fish, shrimp. That's the only seafood I eat is fish and shrimp.
You don't eat crawfish.
And crabs and crawfish.
Well, I eat all of them. Like, I eat
Why you smacking in the camera, my nigga? That's disgusting.
fish, shrimps.
Say it again. She said scrumps. She don't say shrimp. She say scrumps. What's a scrump?
Y'all remember when Mama made me eat oysters? And she didn't even eat it.
Oh, you remember she made her try soup?
She told me to put it in your mouth. So I put it in my mouth
Oh,
first.
I don't like how you said that.
Mama told me so. Mama told me so 1, 2, 3. She said, put it in your mouth. So I put it in my mouth. Mama didn't even. She gonna sit there and laugh at me. I got it in my mouth. She was like, it's good. Slimy. It's nasty. So then I spit it
It's
out.
slimy.
It's
nasty.
it's slimy.
Why
Yeah.
would you say that?
It's slimy.
This is a kid-friendly
Then it tastes
channel.
like
What-
pee. It tastes like
Yeah, I mean,
pee.
it's a freaking oyster. You gotta pop it open. No.
Suck it up.
I
Hey,
just,
like,
hey,
I just
hey.
popped it open.
Hey.
And
You swallow it.
I
You don't
just
chew
popped
it.
it open and just put it
You
in my
don't-
mouth.
You don't.
No, no,
You don't
no,
chew it,
no.
swallow
It
it.
was
I
nasty.
No.
as long as you put it in
Time
your
out.
mouth,
Mm-mm.
swallow it.
Oh my god, and sushi. Oh,
Hey, I have the floor now. We don't do that.
sushi is.
Why was you saying that? You said you gotta pop it open. First off, rule number 1, you say you gotta pop it open.
Sushi is.
And you say you gotta. No,
'Cause it's like a clam.
No, you really have to do that.
I don't eat that.
Like you gotta put some stuff on it.
I
and
did
then
it
be
because Mama said, let's try it together.
I
And
tried it. I tried it with Ariana and
Time
her
out.
granddaddy sitting
Time
there
out,
talking,
time out,
popping
time
it
out,
open.
time
talking-
I told her at least
Come on.
that was on my, it wasn't on my bucket list, but at least I could say.
So
I
you
tried
meant to
it
tell me
before.
that
I don't like
if your parent tell you, I bet you won't go dive in that deep end water right there, knowing you can't swim, you gonna do it.
Yep.
I will.
If I have a floaty, yes.
I would do it because I could swim a little bit. I could swim.
And if they give me some money, yeah, I'll do it.
You're going to drown though. I ain't helping. Sorry. Daddy gonna have to come save you because Daddy can swim really good.
Oh, you guys know Mother's Day coming up too. So if y'all got a mother, grandmother, auntie,
Mother, grandmother.
what you call it, nanny, or what Nene, like young boy
Or
stuff,
Mimi.
or Mimi, whatever, or Momo, yeah, I got Momo.
A mama. A ma.
Yeah, one of those. Go buy something. If you don't got the money, love.
Go boss.
Love is the key to success.
I bought my mama something. And I'm getting her something else.
She watched the video, dude.
I just told her.
Think
I
sometimes.
bought her something. I didn't say what I bought her.
Why'd you bouncing?
What you did? What you getting?
I don't know yet,
Too many
nigga.
calls in the ear.
I didn't think.
La.
So I guess
got you.
my sister said we was gonna talk about
If you
cheaters.
bet, come catch your
So,
name. You can't.
Who wanna start?
Me.
Oh, me?
No, me.
Mm-mm. Okay, good story. I'm sorry, babe. This is my turn. Shut your mouth.
No.
Anyway,
Oh.
that's rude, for one. Anyway, let me tell you. Stop, dude. Chill. Can I talk now?
Can we do it one more time?
No, I'm done.
Let me start. Okay. Anyway.
Okay,
Okay, that's enough. Chill.
Okay.
Alright. Anyway, so, you know me. Back then, people said I was a little H word, like a garden tool. Because I'm just that boy. I'm just that boy. You feel me? I mean, the looks. Feel me? I got how to talk to you. I'm like, hey, yo, ma, come here. You're like, okay, Tay. We walking and stuff. Say, look at you real good, right? Boom. Spill that game out, right? But nah, more of the story. I had this one chick, right? She was like, I ain't gonna say her race, but she know who she is. And if y'all heard the story before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But anyway, boom.
That's what I think it is.
So, yeah, it's how you think it is. So, boom, it was like 2017 stuff, 3 years ago from now. And I think I'm a bad person. I was going to do it, honestly, on Thanksgiving Day.
Honesty.
But they friends was like, no, don't do it on Thanksgiving. Don't do it. It's thankful. I'm like, all right, bet. Christmas come around, I'm dropping her. I'm leaving her. Straight like that. Boom. So, crazy thing about it, the girl mom texted my phone. Her mom was like, hey, I know my daughter took her phone. I was like, took her phone? What? She was like, yeah, I had to take her phone. Woo woo, she did this and that. I was like, oh, all right, bet. So Christmas came around. Well, it was really the week when we got to school. Called her up. I was like, yeah, woo woo. I ain't feeling it. And her family going to the skating ring were crying. Oh, it's not like that. It's not like. I was like, bro, it's like that. If your mom texting a nigga phone, bro, with evidence and screenshots off of your phone and your account, it's not like that. I was like, no. Hung up. Boom. So Friday, we were getting out of school, right? Her friends came to me hallway. Come on, son. Oh, you doing my friend really, really bad. Woo woo. You shouldn't have to do her like that. She's a very good person. I was like, no, she's not. Her mom showed me evidence, bro. She gotta go. So boom. Her friend was like, give it one more chance. So I was like, if I don't do it on Christmas, I'm gonna do it on my time. Can you cut that off? So I did it my turn, right? And then look. Anyway. So, my time, like I said, it was 2017, right? Christmas around the corner. Boom. Then you got New Year's coming up, right? Soon as it hit, she called my phone 11:50, right? The day before New Year. Oh, I'm sorry. The day before New Year's, she called my phone, right? It was 11:50. Soon as I seen the clock hit 11:59. Stop. But nah, as soon as it hit 11:50, chill out though, for real, bro. Look, as soon as it hit 11:59, I called. Well, we was on the phone, and I was like, "Hey, I got something to say." She was like, "Yeah, what's going on? Everything good?" And I was like, "Yeah, I'm fine." But you know what the old saying is, it's New Year, new me. I don't see you with me, bitch. I don't. Hung up. End of discussion. That bit went hard, didn't it? I know. So what about your love life? Miss M. Yeah, I ain't gonna say his name. Miss M.
I'm not missing nobody.
It's an abuser. What about your love life?
Okay, so I was going with the dude for 3 years.
You liking the stupid
No.
noise? I'm
It
gonna
was
have to-
supposed to be promise ring, car, married, baby, all that. But he cheated. The truth came out. Some stuff I can't say for the young people. But she know because she my sister.
Oh, I know.
This one right here gonna ride hard.
What?
He gonna ride too. But not hard like
I think
me.
I'm a ride.
But this one right here,
I'ma
baby,
go
I can
loud.
call up since he cheated. He said he finna
I'm gonna
come
laugh
in
at
with the
y'all.
tool. Oh, baby, she gonna come back in there with the tool. You ready? What's up? But what it meant to be, you know.
Cause
how
I'm
they
young
say-
boy.
You know how they say, if it's meant to be, it's meant to be. I guess it wasn't meant to be.
What about you? Okay, your story should be ended. So what about your story?
My story is
Your story was,
I
it was
haven't-
over, dude.
I haven't got cheated on, but I did do cheating.
I'm sorry.
Can't join them, beat them.
Because it was like, look, it was getting really lame. And I was
That's
like,
split.
it's like, okay, nah, this ain't gonna work. And it was like, just please, you can work it out. I was like, all right.
I think I'm finna
It
end
was
it.
like the same day. The best friend texted me. And it went up from there. So I was like,
I think I'm finna end this video.
No.
Bro, I think I should end the video.
I got you, man.
Y'all want to say anything back to the
It's
camera?
11 minutes.
Y'all want to say bye?
And my channel, Baby Shy.
Her shit gonna be in the description. Her stuff gonna be in the description.
Hi.
But bad kid.
Add me on the ground at straight__ the baddest.
Don't nobody want to ask you on nothing.
She's not the
They want
baddest.
to add you. Add her at pimpin.collar. That's 4 A's.
K-Y-L.
Not, she not the baddest.
K.
Who really bad to me is Megan Thee
A-
Stallion.
A-
You know what she be saying?
A-
She got that song Captain Hood.
It's like, mwah. I'm probably nobody saw if you can pay my papa regardless. Don't you niggas, cause I'm on the daddy.
Alright, but like I said, we out.
Right here with daddy.
Her stuff gonna be in the description below.
Let me tell you.
Mukbang is a
I
banger
like
again.
extra
We
my-
will have
I
more of
drink, I
these
like-
for future content. In the meantime,
Peace.
If you can't, just not